Hello, my wonderful people. Good evening. Just listen to this message from our wonderful actor, Kanayo. This message is for our young ladies, single ladies. Just listen to him and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Just write what you think about his message. If he's really making a point there. Thanks for watching, and please share this video and follow my page. As you do it, may God bless you. Thank you.
Yes, I made a movie. It's shown on Kanayo TV on YouTube. It's called After 33. Now, many of the ladies who have chatted me up on WhatsApp believe it's their story. And I get comments like, exactly my story. I'm not going to mention names here. But the fact is that if you're a lady between the ages of 20 to 25, and you have a car to yourself bought by a boyfriend, and a house maybe, and so on, and you now forget that you are married and that there are people who are going to be asking for your hand in marriage. Anyone who comes, John is too short, or Polycarp is not rich, and so you don't forget because you're living a high-profile life. It's unfortunate. You may be what the Igbos will call otonakanne if you don't take care, because by the time you're 25, it's a flex to be single. By the time you're 28, you become a prayer point. And by the time you are 33, even your parents will declare you a state of emergency because it will not be anybody welcome. And the story we're trying to tell here is that parents should start cautioning their girls. Yes, caution your girls, because where they're measuring up to marriage demands that you build it up. But the kind of demands that have been made, you went out with a guy who affords everything, gives you a monthly allowance, but the one for marriage hasn't got up to that to make you comfortable. You keep on rejecting. Don't forget. Then you cross 30, 31, 35. Wahala don't dare. I just thought I should share this. But just go to my YouTube channel, Kanayo TV on YouTube, and watch After 33 so that the same thing does not happen to you. Don't become otonakanne. And don't go to any pastor to pray for you, believing they are chasing you. Nobody's chasing you from the village. Most pastors are beginning to encourage this and say, I'll cast it. Character is what you should be praying that you have. Your prayer point. Character is everything. Thank you very much.